How to use the ClickUp scheduling for social media posts. Hello guys and welcome to today's new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the ClickUp scheduling for social media posts into your account or your space. So we're going to say that we're going to have social media accounts or social media posts that we want to schedule. Maybe we're going to organize and also to set up everything for it. Now we're going to head over the space. If you have already a space, you're going to have it as a list, or if you do not have a space, you can create a new space. For example, have it as social media posts. We're going to click on continue. So basically I'm going to have a project management here for it. Click on create space. This is the first method. You're going to have as you can see different views like list, board, calendar, Gantt, wherever. So we can go ahead and start by having these social media posts. For example, this is going to be posts, details. You can go ahead and set up this, and you're going to start by adding tasks. Or you can go ahead and do something better than this, which is going to be not including something empty like that, by heading over the social media posts and click on the plus button here, click on templates. We're going to click on search social media, and we're going to see what do we have here. Here we have social media calendar, analytics, matrix, posting schedule. Select posting schedule, and you're going to add it just like that. I'm not going to put a name for it because it is going to be already predefined. If you want to customize it, it is okay. I'm going to set the import options as import as everything. The import as the dates, I'm going to remap them. For example, from tomorrow, I'm going to have this. And click on use template. Now we are going to wait for a few seconds. You're going to find that it is going to give you some ideas on how you can work within it. So you can go ahead, either copy the ideas, delete them and replace them, or set them as they are. So here we have the thing. As you can see, we have some views, weekly to do, list by platform, board. As you can see, something very similar to that. So the Gantt view, you can see the teamwork and etc. This is how you can get the idea or set up this. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.